Talia. Look up, guys, look up. Isa?
There he is. I just saw it.
Wow, that's huge.
I see him.
Isa, either by
You'll see him in a second.
Okay?
Just name, mailing address, and how many kids. Write it on the back there. Hand it in to that gentleman on the right, and they'll still mail it out.
She kept pulling me forward for some reason.
Probably want to go on that.
You see, you want to go on that thing, the red one?
But I think that's washrooms, no?
Isa? Isa? It's the best thing.
Yeah, there's other stuff to get out in the front.
This is just for me. Do you want to go up there? It's over here.
Isa, आपके पास क्या है? What do you have?
Thomas.
Okay. Go ahead.
He knows what a choo-choo is now. Choo-choo. The whole way here.
How did he get in there, Jordan? You're stuck. You're stuck.
Emma, come here, baby. Emma, come here. He knows what a choo-choo is now. Choo-choo. The whole way here. Where's your Emma?
This is 6. Ikaw, babasa ka na ba? This is possibly as far as you can be from Thomas.
Just get it.
Crack in the trap.
You gotta call it.
I'll try a small piece of that.
Cheese bread. track. That's why it's riding fast.
You're confused. They're not confused at all.
When you're in the presence,
You gotta put your name on there.